throughout the morning.
Okay.
All right, now to Science Saturday, one of our favorites, a chance for parents and kids to slide into some fun.
Mudslides. Savannah from the Arizona Science Center is here. Mudslides, we're making mudslides.
Yes.
How fun.
So it's monsoon season right now. It explains a little bit of the humidity and some of the things that are going on that we don't usually see here in the desert, like rain. So I have a fun little activity here to visualize rain. So I have some shaving cream right here. Would one of you like to put a little shaving cream
on the water, or
right on top of the water? And so in this model, keep going.
Scare yourself.
Well, I didn't.
The water down here is actually the atmosphere. Perfect. And that
I can't stop.
cream.
I can't stop.
Stop it.
I can't stop.
And what do you think the shaving cream is?
The cloud.
The cloud.
That's like some strong...
It smells a little fresh in here. And so we also have some food dye, and you're going to take that food dye and drop it on top of that shaving cream.
Okay,
and
on top of the cloud.
Just go ahead,
Careful.
do tons of drops all around. And so now we're going to start looking down here.
And it's going to start dripping into the atmosphere.
So clouds are made up of water vapor. When those water molecules link together, a cloud is a big cloud. So it's going to take a minute to soak.
Because I put too many clouds. There we go. Nice and cloudy.
So when they loop together and it becomes too heavy, it falls down through the atmosphere to Earth as rain.
So this is a perfect example of exactly what is happening out there.
Definitely, yeah. So the food dye is heavier, so it's going to soak through our cloud and fall down into our atmosphere.
That's so neat. That's a great one.
That's a great experiment to do at home.
So when rain comes, sometimes we get mudslides, landslides, and things like that. So we have a model here, and so we have some loose gravel that's representing our desert where we just have a lot of dirt and things like that.
We see a lot of that around here.
Definitely. And then we have some landscaping here, some mesh, some more stones in between there, and some grass. Those roots might hold things together. We have a pitcher right here. Does one of you want to pour it onto our rocks and see what happens?
I say they're going to go everywhere.
So as you see, perfect. Yeah, so that water is sweeping away that gravel just like what would happen if there was a flash flood or something like that. Now, do you want to try the other side?
All right, here we go. This one's got the
mesh,
mesh
and the roots. I'm going to guess that it's going to hold all that sand in.
It is.
Or most
so
of it.
Landscaping or even natural plants, they have root structures. It's holding everything together. Mesh is used in landscaping a lot of the time, and that is going to help hold everything together to prevent landslides, mudslides.
Yeah, this is why they're so scared about all of the wildfires too, because there's no vegetation on there.
Yeah, definitely.
How can people do this at home? How can they find you guys?
Yeah, so we're at the Science Center every day of the week, azscience.org if you want to come visit us in downtown Phoenix. But this is a super fun activity you can do at home. Water, shaving cream, food coloring.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
And that's right.
Parental supervision, adult supervision.
There you go.
Thank you. We'll be right back.